Request Dr. Gupta to present WS Award 2020 to Dr. Shikha Verma Kashyap, Associate Director, AAFT University in Media and Arts of Media and Arts, Raipur, most promising media and arts university in India.
Very great evening. This is Dr. Shikha Verma Kashyap, Associate Director, AFT University, Raipur. I extend my heartfelt thanks to Elite Technomedia and 18th World Education Summit for this honor, and it feels great to be rewarded on this elite platform of 18th World Education Summit and Awards 2021. Passing year has been a challenging one. It was too difficult to continue the academic system as we were doing before. This pandemic has taught us enormous ways to reach out to our students, because during this time the education system was not closed, only the buildings were closed. So my team has been working day and night to bring this dream true and live, and as a result here I'm standing in front of all, receiving this acknowledgement on behalf of my entire team, who has been putting a lot of effort to bring the system live and to do the academic delivery as most efficient manner as they can. This award has given us tremendous energy and a lot of morale boost, so that upcoming projects can be taken up with a lot of zeal, and my team really is feeling energetic since we have been acknowledged by this esteemed organization, that is Elite Technomedia, and we've been rewarded for the efforts we have been taking in this tough time. I'm taking this award on behalf of my entire team, and I'm representing my education group, my esteemed organization, and I feel great and thankful to Elite Technomedia. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and